everybody. So, I got bored of not posting videos, so here we go. Happy New Year. It is January 1st as of filming this video. I'm a bit low. I'm sorry. I wish I could be like right here. That'd be better. But you have to work with what you got. And what I got is a nice floor. Today we are going to be doing a try not to laugh challenge. As you can see right there. The goal of this is to try not to laugh. Two quick announcements. First of all, the how to catch species profile videos I make are going to be every other Wednesday now. Second off, the Good Convey video will be the next video, and it'll be this Sunday. Third of all, I only said I was going to say two things, but third of all, if you want to leave questions down below, I will probably do some sort of Q&A at some point. Could be in the form of a live stream though. It's either going to be a live stream or a video where you comment down below and I answer questions from that video that you commented down below. So, let's get into this. Wait, does this work? Yeah, no, that would not work. I'm just going to have to put it in there. So I'm going to have to put on screen recording. It might be a little bit off because of ads, the way screen recording works. I'm sorry. Let's start this. This is my second take because during the intro, I'm not putting my finger in my ear, I'm just itching my ear. Because during my last intro, my mom came home and I had to help her do a chore. So, let's get right into this.
Hold it. Now bring it back like this. Look at me. And go. When you go forward, let go at the end. Well, not throw the rod in the water.
What did he?
Did I just lose?
Oh, is it on me?
Yeah.
Unhooky, hurry.
I just lost.
You have to grab him by the back so he doesn't flop.
This?
Yeah.
Yep, hold him tight though.
He's a big boy.
Ooh, how do you like that, baby? Oh, there he goes.
Is that good?
Well, that one went in there. You kept the head.
Is that good?
Sorry, Blake, your picture.
Get up, mother.
When did she get sprayed?
Okay, drop it on the ground. Oh, father.
Get a video.
Father.
He's still.
Come on, pretty close and see what you count.
He's still.
Are you bringing that home and eating it?
Oh no.
It really is somebody's underwear. Ew.
He's also traumatized for life.
Whoa!
Oh, you got him in the net.
You're the mama. She says she's the mama.
Oh, are you the mama? Oh, that's...
Yeah, it's not really funny.
Go, Grant!
You can do it.
Hey Kai, mommy caught a shark. Look at this shark. Oh.
No, Benny. What did I tell you? Oh my gosh!
Holy Get it out! Get it out! What the fuck is that? I got on it! I got it on it!
Put it back in.
Oh my god, I've never even caught one that big yet.
Ain't got that one that big.
Okay, wait.
I know.
I didn't even drop it. It was a foot away from him. That was a good cast.
I caught a really big
It's gone.
fish.
Oh my god in heaven! That was a muskie. Did you have that on a camera?
I don't know.
You caught a fish and it caught the fish.
Enormous.
It's enormous. Oh no!
What?
Your line broke.
Ooh.
Well, Gunner, you got a
Gunner.
banana fish.
Oh, he took your fish! Oh,
Got it.
oh, it's okay. Oh, it's okay.
Also red.
Fishing at the Great Lakes,
he
we're not
would
sure
fit-
what we got,
Dad.
but he's a beauty. Whoa, get him in there.
That's the way you do it. Oh, it's a, oh, shoot. You broke the line. What a huge one.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, he got away, Punka. No, I'm not a bad fisherman. You broke the line.
Oh yeah, I saw that coming.
Oh,
I got one.
oh. Hungry, huh? You might be bored. There you go.
How many pictures you get? 8?
Whoa, baby. Look what we got here. Look at him. Holy smokes, Georgie. Look what you got, baby.
You see, there's an alligator right there. There's a fish that Dominic just caught. And you see that this is a big one. See it? See it? And it's going back into the water. Yeah.
Hit the light.
It's stuck in the tree. It's stuck in the tree.
Reel it. Keep reeling.
Get him, baby, get him! Don't pull too hard.
Oh, nuts.
Chaser. Chaser.
I'm Captain Jimmy Nelson, and I've been using the Chum Buddy for a little while now, and I've found that this is a very inexpensive yet effective way to chum, and I fully endorse the Chum Buddy.
Go up and just, nice.
Slimy. Oh, look, I caught him right on his bottom lip.
Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa.
what are you doing?
Hey, hey.
我丽丽那说呀，是吧？
Wake up. Is that you? Oh. Oh, it's it.
Oh my God.
Subscribe to. Okay. Well, if you guys want to see another one of these, just let me know. Winfield Fun, there's your credit if you care about that. I'm sorry if you hear music in the background. That's what I was just doing. I'm trying not to get copyrighted. I don't think it'll matter though because nobody will see it because it's such a small channel right now. If you guys enjoyed this episode and would like me to do more reactions,